Hello everyone, in this video we're going to draw a stack of jack-o'-lanterns. Start by drawing a few guidelines for the pumpkin at the bottom. Draw two horizontal lines for the top and bottom edges of the pumpkin. The distance between these lines will determine the height of the pumpkin. Connect the lines on the sides using curved vertical lines. Place this shape low on the paper to give you room for the other pumpkins at the top. Also, pause the video as you follow along to draw at your own pace. Higher up, draw another horizontal line for the top edge of the jack-o'-lantern in the middle. Draw two curved vertical lines on the sides to complete the shape of this pumpkin. It's okay if the horizontal lines aren't perfectly straight. Higher up, draw a shorter horizontal line for the top edge of the top pumpkin. Draw this shape slightly to the left for an off-balance feel. Close off the shape on the sides using curved vertical lines. On top of the pumpkin, draw a few guidelines for a witch's hat. First, draw a long horizontal line for the hat's brim. Above that, draw a tall triangular shape for the main part of the hat. Make the top part of this shape flat. At the top, draw a line that curves to the left for the pointy tip of the hat. Curve the tip of this line so that it creates a spiral. Now add a few lines inside each pumpkin for construction guides. Draw a horizontal line and a vertical line inside each pumpkin. These lines will help you determine the placement of the jack-o'-lantern's facial features. You're basically drawing plus signs inside the shapes. And that's it for the guidelines. Now let's start on the final drawing. Use the triangular shape at the top as a guide to draw the witch's hat. Make the shape of the brim wider by drawing a couple of short lines on the sides. Draw a long wavy line across the bottom for the front of the brim. Follow the basic path of the guide as you draw this wavy line. Higher up, draw two curved horizontal lines for the strap on the hat. Draw a couple of short vertical lines within the strap for a buckle. Inside the shape, draw a small rectangle to finish the buckle. Draw the rest of the hat along the path of the guides. Use wavy lines as you draw the shape of the hat. Draw another curved line on the left side to create the tip of the hat. Curve the shape and make the tip pointy. Draw curved lines for creases on the hat. Inside the top shape, draw a small triangle for the nose on the jack-o'-lantern. Draw the nose where the two construction guides intersect. On the sides, draw two more triangles for the eyes. Place the eyes on top of the horizontal construction guide and on either side of the vertical guide. Make the triangles for the eyes thin and pointy. Below that, draw a couple of short lines for the sides of the mouth. Now draw a series of angled lines across the middle for teeth. These lines should be similar to small triangles. Draw the teeth at the bottom the same way. Darken the curved vertical lines on the sides. Draw a series of short curved lines along the bottom to complete the shape of the pumpkin. If you'd like, you can give your jack-o'-lanterns different faces. Now draw the facial features of the middle jack-o'-lantern. Draw a couple of short curved lines for smiling eyes. Draw another curved line above each eye to make the shapes thicker. Below the eyes, lightly sketch 2 curved horizontal lines for the open mouth. Close off the shape on the sides using shorter lines. Draw a few small square-like shapes along the edge of the mouth for teeth. Darken the lines when you get the shapes right. Darken the lines on the sides for the outer edges of the pumpkin. At the bottom, draw a series of short curved lines to complete the shape of this jack-o'-lantern. Draw the face inside the pumpkin at the bottom the same way. Draw 2 small triangles for the eyes. Remember that you can draw the faces differently if you'd like. Where the construction guides intersect, draw another small triangle for the nose. Below that, draw 2 curved horizontal lines for the open mouth. This shape should be similar to a crescent moon on its side. Just like before, draw a few small square-like shapes along the edges of the mouth for teeth. You can add as many teeth as you'd like. Darken the lines on the sides and draw a series of short curved lines along the bottom to finish the shape of this jack-o'-lantern. Make the final lines darker than the guides. And that's it for the jack-o'-lanterns. Now go over the final lines with permanent ink, erase the guides, and color your drawing. The next few steps will be sped up so that the video isn't too long, but make sure that you go over your final lines slowly and carefully to avoid any accidents. For more tutorials like this one, please visit EasyDrawingTutorials.com. Let me know in the comments what else you want to see me draw. Don't forget to leave a like and to subscribe. Thank you for watching, and until next time, keep drawing.